Hello, so today I've got a little unboxing video for you. This is a system for, well, entertainment system it's called, but it's not so much an entertainment system that interests me. It is the reversing camera possibilities. And so this is from the company Atoto. It hasn't been installed yet. I've got a bit worried about the installation procedure, but we'll find out how well this works. Right, let's have a look at what's in here. So I'll take this out. This came in a plastic bag, so I took it out of the plastic bag first. Right, one thing here. What's this then? Seems to come with a something like a sheet or something. That's a clever piece of packaging. Wow, that's pretty big. And well, I think that's packaging. Anyway, don't know what that is, but it's the sort of thing, if it is packaging, it might come in useful. In here, what I'm expecting to see are some wires. There we go, and instructions. So connection, this would appear to be the camera, and which can be mounted somewhere on the rear. I'm not too certain yet whereabouts, unless it tells me I've got to put it in a given position. In theory, I have got two cameras mounted. One's on the number plate, which, or roughly around where the number plate is, and one's at the top. The one at the top with this vehicle never actually worked, even though it's wired in. And so the previous owner of the vehicle, well, I think it probably had it since the vehicle was manufactured in 2004. But the other one was something very, very similar as well. It had a lovely picture to it. Unfortunately, I even though there's quite a large overhang on my vehicle, I went into a friend's place, and when I went down, I knocked the camera, and it came off. And when I tried repairing it, well, the answer was pretty obvious. Let's have a look on this one here. What could possibly be in here? Push this to the back. This is the in-dash auto entertainment. I opened up the box earlier so as not to be boring opening the box up. I suppose unboxing, I'm supposed to unbox the whole thing, but I mean, if you want, I'll keep the boxes, and I can find some tape and tape them back up again. Right, so in-dash audio entertainment. Now, I am not really into in-car entertainment. If I have got a lecture on or something like that, I'm quite happy. Audiobook. I'll make that a bit darker, so that might allow us to see it easier. Does that make it any better? Yes, it appears to. And let's have a look in here. This vehicle, those wonderful panoramic window above me. There we go. There's the instructions. Atoto, and here, ooh, look at all this. Wires, more wires. Yeah, I hope I'm going to work out how to do this. More wires, more wires, and more, and more. This is probably where you find out there's something missing. And more. Here's a bit of metal. What's that? SIM card. Okay. And what's this? Oh, I know what these things are for. Yes, that's static pads. And okay. Warranty support online. I think I'm going to be needing that. Aha, now this is the bit that goes over the front. Alright, there's the front bit. And down here, I suspect we're going to see the unit itself. If I can get it out. And that's it. Right, so that's the unit itself, which is quite large. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I really want to have lectures on this type of thing. I very rarely listen to music, so but you know, with the navigation of that size. Currently I'm using navigation from on Google Maps, and I've also got a TomTom, and I'll have to do a separate video on that. And I've got Sigic. Sigic is totally useless, but between the Google Maps and the TomTom, I usually manage to work it out where I'm going. But that'd be very nice as well. Big screen like that, much bigger than the TomTom, and of course the Google Maps is only as big as the telephone I'm using. And I believe that's that. Right, okay, good. So what I'll try and keep you informed, or show you what it looks like, or something like that, once I've worked out how to put the whole thing together. If I work out how to put the whole thing together. I do note there is online support. There we go. Hopefully that'll be online support for the putting the thing together as well. But anyway, good. So I'll leave you a link below. Anybody's interested in something like this, anybody's done it before, any assistance would be welcome. Any suggestions would be welcome. I do need I believe I'm probably going to need anyway, a separate housing for it, because I'm not certain even if that one down there will be suitable. I don't think it will be suitable, so I'll need another housing for it as well. Anyway, anybody's got one of these, got any ideas, used it before, anything like that, please put your comments in below. And with all this spaghetti I've got down here, I'm sure that would be of some help to me, putting this whole thing back again. Look at all this. Wow. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. More to the point this time, I hope I'm going to find your comments useful, and so in a turn of what I usually say. And oh, actually, to be quite honest, I've got a little bit of fear of putting this whole thing together. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.